Say goodbye to cleaning troubles and welcome a new life. This universal floor brush has 4 flexible power heads, and dual laser lights illuminate invisible dust, which can be used in V7, V8, V10, V11, V15. Every corner is clean, which is the real home. The hair on the ground automatically falls off through the roller design with a tapered angle, thus realizing real anti-winding. Go deep into the bottom of the home and clean along the curved edge. Keywords: universal brush, 4-head drive, double laser display lamp, all-round, multi-angle, and thorough cleaning.